The next 20 minutes is a fireside chat. I have the honor of interviewing Benoit de Juvigny, who is the Secretary General of the IMF. And I have to say that I'm very much looking forward to that. So maybe you could introduce yourself, one or 2 minutes about what you've been doing with the IMF.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Benoit de Juvigny, Head of Staff of IMF. I am a financial services regulator. I don't know if you know exactly the French regulatory system. We have two bodies. The first one is ICPA, which is in the Banque de France, and the head of the Fintech team of ICPA, as you know, is Nathalie, and I would support everything that Nathalie has told in the previous panel. And so the other body is AMF, Autorité des marchés financiers. I'm chief of staff. I was a banker when I was when I was younger, and I've been working for IMF for 12 years now. And I could maybe add before I listened to a lot of things criticizing French regulators. So first, if you authorize me first to support all what Nathalie told before. The second thing maybe is to remind you that some French regulators are able to speak English, and because I am an old regulator, maybe my English is not perfect, but you have also in IMF teams a lot of young regulators which are all very open or international minded, who speak English very well, and we have built together a new team, which is a Fintech team, which is open to competition, to innovation, and the head of this team is Franck Franck Guyader, this team was created 1 year ago, last June, and Franck Guyader team was created at the same time but Nathalie's team, and both regulators try to work together because we have a lot of common problems. Just to finish, because in the previous panel you spoke a lot about of a subject like payment services, so it's not my competence area. So please, could you ask me question only regarding financial services and so on, and not the insurance or specific payment issue, which are under the remit of my colleagues. Or if you have another question regarding payment services, I will ask Nathalie to help me.
We'll stay at the high level. So,
as you want.
I'm gonna frame the discussion with something I don't think it's controversial, but I'd like your view on it. So my statement is innovation is about breaking things, is about a lot of failure, is about risk taking, and regulation, at least from my point of view, is about making sure that things are not broken or do not break, or to minimize that, and is about risk management. So from that perspective, first of all, do you agree with that differentiation? And then second, as a regulator, if you agree, how do you interact with innovation to foster the right competition, given that there is this tension between the risk-taking and the risk management?